Catch the wind, feel the thrill, it's all about the ride. Welcome to the world of two wheels and a heartbeat. Today we're talking about the top 3 motorcycles of 2024. First up, the Thunderbolt X1, a lean machine, its raw power and sleek design take the crown for speed and agility. Next, we have Raven R3. Don't let its compact size fool you. This ride is all about the perfect balance of performance and comfort. Last, but not least, Phoenix P1 steals the show with its revolutionary electric engine, a whisper-quiet ride with a roar of power under the hood. That's it, folks. 3 of the best bikes of 2024. If you enjoyed this ride, don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep the rubber side down and the shiny side up. Until next time, ride safe.